Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show that Windows cannot install required files. So let's get started now. First time you are change your ISO or bootable pen drive for the Windows installation problem. If the another many things is a problem, the bootable pen drive or ISO file building. So at first you change your ISO file or bootable pen drive issues. Then you insert changeable pen drive and restart again this computer for the installation process. And now check up the install now and go ahead the next step. Let's start now. Now we continue as the installation Windows. This is the many versions of Windows ISO. As you wish, you selected any one, but particularly Windows 10 Pro is the professional, and a change accept the terms conditions, check out and next click. Now it's click on the custom installation Windows. This is the main things of partition for the Windows installation. There are the unallocated space with the formatted options and the system reserve. So system reserve, if you want to delete or no as you wish, but the partition is one primary. If you the issues fixed up, you clean up your whole hard disk, so it's not good for your hard disk. Now the selected unallocated space which the free for the Windows installation. And now continue. Just a moment, we are waiting for the installation. Look, just a moment. Now my laptop Windows operating system installation completed. Many various problem, the error code, your Windows bootable file, exe file, and any other most important file. If the one file missing for booting time, your Windows cannot installation right way. And the Windows Home, Windows Professional, Windows Enterprise, various version, various feature for the user. So Windows Professional is good for Windows installation and the normal user. And now check out and continue the laptop process, and you enjoy your right Windows installation operating system. Now you select any username for your laptop or desktop and click on next. Hi guys, is this tutorial very helpful for you? Please share in your friends and others. Subscribe and inspire me with the next tutorial. I will come back soon. Thank you watching this video. Stay connected with and stay tuned to the channel.